How to backup WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android. Follow this step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, tap the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then from the drop-down list, select Settings. After that, click on the Chats option. Now scroll down and select the Chat Backup. Under the Google account, choose the Google Drive account you want to use for backing up your WhatsApp messages. Next, click on the Automatic Backup and choose the backup frequency that you prefer. Additionally, if you also want to backup the video, toggle the switch beside the Include Video to enable it. Finally, hit the backup to manually start the backup process. Once completed, your chat will be securely saved to your selected Google Drive account. That's it. I hope this video helped.